Do people earn money on TikTok? The answer is yes. But do Nigerians and people from other African countries also earn money on TikTok? The answer is also yes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. My name is Waterfred1 and I am a Nigerian content creator based in Ibadan, Nigeria. And if you want to learn something valuable today, just bring out less than 10 minutes and watch this video till the end. Anyapo. So step 1, log into your TikTok account. Okay, this is my TikTok account and I am logging in straight and direct. Okay, this is my TikTok account. Okay, you can see it. Okay, so I'm doing this straight and direct. Okay, click on these three lines here and then you click on Creator Tools. And then on Creator Tools, you can see virtually everything you need to do for you to start earning. Okay, for you to make money on TikTok. They are just looking at you right there. You can see it. First way for you to earn is what? Via subscription. I'm going to explain that in a bit. Second one is via video gifts. Third one is work with artists. And the last one is live gifts. Now, I've made videos on work with artists. I've also made video on live gifts and video gifts. Okay, and if you want to watch those videos, they are on my TikTok page and on my social media handles. Okay, but today I'm going to focus on subscription. Okay, now when you click on subscription, a wave of subscription is coming. So subscription, this change. Okay, just click on OK. And when you are like this, when you just see this, you may not be led to this page in the first instance. Okay, in the first instance, you may see something like, you will likely see something like this, okay, once you are here. And if you've not met all the requirements, they're going to ask you to go through the requirements. And the requirements are basically going live on TikTok for at least 30 minutes, having lots of engagement and followers, okay, and all that. Now, you must not have up to 100,000 followers or 200,000 followers. If you have from, let's say, 5,000 followers and above, you know, an engaging audience, you can be able to do this. Okay, and I think it still varies from account to account. Some TikTok doesn't see all the accounts as eligible, so just log in. Even if you have 1,000 followers, check yours to know if you're eligible for it. I've gone live for more than 30 minutes. I have an engaging audience. Okay, yeah, so once you are here this way, what are you going to do? Subscription plans, you can see add 2 or more subscription plans and may bring you 24% more subscribers. So what do we do? Click on it. And you can see standard, join the community and unlock extra benefits. Price 2,009 per month. You can click on it and you can edit. You can select the one you want. This is $5 USD, $5.99 per month for the plan. Now, another thing I want to show you before you start earning is you can see a way to, you can see that if you look at this picture, you have up to 50,000 subscribers. People who have 50,000 subscribers can earn as much as 105,000 United States dollars per month. Okay, I'm not trying to say everybody who has 50,000 subscribers can earns up to this, but people do make this amount of money. Okay, now you can see, I think I like this one, this middle one that is selected for me, and you can see you'll be eligible to receive up to 50% of TikTok's net revenue from your subscription. Okay, yeah, I click on set. Okay, that is the first one, standard. Let me add another one. Let me say add a smaller one. Okay, click on this. Now, if you look now, I've done all the settings that I need to do, and you can see that I have my basic plan as 1,450 per month for those that want to subscribe to that. Standard one as 2,950, and the last one is 4,950. Now, what this means is that people who pay and people who subscribe to this will have exclusive advantages over the normal people that comes to watch my videos on TikTok. Okay, a lot of things. Okay, a lot of advantages like behind the scenes video, a lot of things, fast responses, a lot of things. Okay, and let's say one-on-one, you know, discussions. Okay, so when you are done with this setup, just go back. If you want to read more or if you don't understand anything, click on this question mark sign and there you can read everything about live subscription. So once you are done with this setup, just go back. Okay, refresh. Now, if I go to my profile again and I go to my notifications and I go to system notifications, you can see, congratulations, your badge and emotes were approved and your subscription is activated. You can see it. Okay, you can see it. Okay, if I like, I can set a goal of how much I want to reach. I can set a goal, you know, pin your goal subscription, but not immediately. If you want to check your account or if you want to check your balance, click here and you click on settings and privacy and you click on balance here. So when you click on balance, you see how much you've earned so far. From there too, you can set up your account. Okay, you can set up your payment method, okay, on TikTok. And then to show you what I've done or what I've just set up, I visited TikTok from another account. I visited my profile from another TikTok account, okay? And you can see right now that at the top of my profile, you can see live subscription. If I click on it right now, you will see what I just set up, okay? 1,450, that's for basic per month. This is standard for this. And this is what deluxe. Now you can see the basic, what I've set for basic, the benefits you enjoy, direct message, contact response, shoutouts, this behind the scenes video, the standard, okay, what I'm enjoying here, the deluxe, okay, what you are going to get. It's left for you to set this how you want, okay. So let's say I click on subscribe. You can see they will ask you, is your auto renewal? Do you want 1 month, just for 1 month, or auto renewal? Anywhere you want. When you click on subscribe, okay, so the next thing, agree to TikTok terms and conditions and click on subscribe. And you can see that you will be asked to pay. So you can see now that I'm asked to pay. This App Store, and from here you can pay. If you're using Android, it will be at this point that they will ask you to put in your card details. Okay, so this is how to set up live subscription on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this one, please give me a like, comment, and share this video so that other people too can gain true value just like the way you've gotten. If you like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Waterfred1. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media platforms so that you stay updated anytime I drop new video. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.